C-40 trackway. Military engineers in more than 40 different countries around the world rely on this machine every day. It's also used in the construction industry and agriculture. The C-40 trackway from the American company Thorn performs the deployment of mobile pavement, which is useful where roads are needed only temporarily and the construction of permanent roads is too expensive or energy-consuming. The equipment is an attachment that can be mounted on a loader or a tractor. The vehicle equipped with the C-40 can climb into the most remote and inaccessible places because it's resistant to snow, sand, or mud. A flexible aluminium coating unfolds right in front of the wheels of the vehicle, preventing them from getting stuck. Thus, the machine leaves behind a temporary access route on which other vehicles can move. In addition to road surfaces, runways can also be deployed in the same way. Vestergaard Elephant Beta. The surfaces of airplanes on the ground are treated by special de-icing machines before the flight. The video shows the Elephant Beta, produced by the Danish company Vestergaard. The procedure is performed to remove ice from the fuselage and prevent it from reappearing on the surface. Elephant Beta is built on a truck and features a cabin on a telescopic boom. The working tools are directly attached to the cabin. They are swiveling spray nozzles. To improve the quality of service, there's also a backlight and touch sensors. During operation, the cockpit can be elevated 49 feet above ground level. The spray nozzle goes even higher, more than 75 feet above the ground. You may notice that the truck cabin is empty during operation. The operator can control the machine directly from the cab of the Elephant Beta. Kobelco SK3500D. This special demolition machine is among the tallest of its kind in the world. The SK3500D from the Japanese company Kobelco has a maximum working height of 213 feet. It's designed specifically for the demolition of high reinforced buildings. The minimum working height is 72 feet. The operating weight of the equipment is 327 tons. The machine works with nibblers of different sizes, weighing 3 to 12 tons. The cutting force ranges from 292 to 606,000 pounds force. It's noteworthy that the engineers came up with a very unusual design solution. The SK3500D is equipped with removable hydraulic pins. This greatly reduced the time of transportation, making it easier. Considering the huge dimensions of the machine, this is an important advantage. Vermeer XR2. This innovative vacuum excavator from Vermeer was first introduced in 2019. It's an alternative to the traditional mechanical excavator with a bucket. The machine uses a wide suction hose to pull in soil, crushed rock, and stones. To get the job done faster, water flows to the work area at the same time, which erodes the soil and makes it more pliable. The excavation method described here is delicate and safe, with less risk of accidentally damaging utility lines. The Vermeer XR2 is the first vacuum excavator in the industry to be equipped with a vibrating platform. It allows the machine to separate liquids and solids in the excavated material. That in turn allows workers to interrupt operations less frequently, increasing plant productivity and reducing disposal costs. The Vermeer XR2 tanker can hold 1,500 gallons of water on site, providing up to 150 minutes of continuous operation. The Dutchman 280i. Tree spades are attachments for loaders that are in demand in logging and landscaping projects. Their hydraulic bucket cuts through the soil around the tree and then removes it from the ground along with the roots. This allows to transport the tree to a new planting site without damage. The Canadian company Dutchman Industries has developed a whole line of tree spades of different sizes, load capacities, and power. Right now, we're going to talk about the 280i model. The machine has an adjustable working diameter that ranges from 18.5 to 29.5 inches. The working depth can vary from 20 to 30 inches. The working tool consists of 3 or 4 sharp blades. They are angled at 25 degrees in the inner frame for compactness, which allows for work in confined spaces. The BMD RA707 and the Yimkenha CS4. The next machine we'll talk about is a mobile rock crusher and a sieve that work in tandem. Both of them are indispensable in the mining industry. The crusher, in our case the German model, the RA707, is used to process natural stone of medium to high hardness, abrasive natural stone, as well as other raw mining materials such as ore or coal. This equipment reduces the size of the bulk material and provides the optimum final grain size. The advantage of the RA707 in particular is the easy transportation procedure, which allows the equipment to be transported quickly from site to site. The raw material processed in the crusher then enters a sieve, such as the Yimkenha CS4. This machine sorts the bulk materials by size. The machine can also remove moisture from the raw material or wash the sand. Sandvik DL422IE. In the mining industry, machines like the one you're seeing on your screen right now are responsible for extracting raw materials, which are then crushed and sorted. The DL422IE from the Swedish company Sandvik is the latest drill rig model, now equipped with an electric powertrain. It efficiently handles tasks such as drilling single or parallel holes from 3.5 to 5 inches in diameter and up to 177 feet in depth. At the same time, the diesel engine emits significantly fewer harmful exhaust gases thanks to the electric transmission. In this way, the specialists have managed to combine increased productivity and the lowest possible environmental impact in one machine. ACS Littermaster 6000. This municipal machine greatly simplifies and speeds up the maintenance of city streets. The working tool is a wide suction hose with enough power to suck up all kinds of debris, from wrappers and cans to rocks and fallen leaves. Basically, the Littermaster 6000 is a huge vacuum cleaner that can move around on public roads. As you can see, the equipment can operate in 2 modes. The hose can be attached to the chassis, or it can be detached so it can be operated manually. Its 13-foot length in this case is a significant advantage, because it allows the operator to move away from the machine and cover a larger area. The stainless steel hopper has a capacity of 17 cubic feet, so the operator has to stop less often to empty it. The manufacturer is the Australian-based company Applied Cleansing Solutions. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.